will dry really fast in these circumstances. So.
Okay.
Is this the blue? Is that what it is?
That's a blue. I think. No, that's a Payne's gray.
Is this
that's
blue?
here. That is blue, and that's Payne's gray. Here's a blue.
Ooh, that's awfully blue.
That's all right.
She handed it to me, so I just took it.
It's my favorite blue.
Is it? Okay. All right, wait, I need to be rocking and rolling.
And add a little bit of water to it if it's not moving. You can just...
Oh, that's right. That can go anywhere. Oh, hey, look, check out that sky.
Let's give you...
Holy crap, that's pretty cool.
Isn't that cool?
Green for the middle.
Yes, you do. But that's okay.
Make a tree.
Wow.
Oops, sorry.
That's all right. Yeah, because I did my background.
I did these two colors kind of together.
This one and this one.
Yeah, just dab it in.
You like how you're going.
Like me? I'm like, Oh, Mom, those are good. What's it? I'm being serious. It looks.
Without wax paper, you will stop right there. I've only done this 100 times. I swear to you. Wax paper, you are going in the pool, girlfriend.